So, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain my assignment about the 8086 addressing modes, including how instruction access memory and how physical addresses are calculated and how different addressing modes are used in assembly language. I also explain the sample problem step by step so it's easier to understand. So, the first part is the identifying addressing modes. So the first one is the MOV, AX, BX. So it's called register addressing. So both AX and BX are registered. So this instruction just copies data from one register to another. So the second one is the MOV AX 1234H. It is a direct addressing. So the instruction directly shows the memory address. Whatever value is stored in memory location 1234H goes to AX. So the third one is the MOVAL SI. So it is called registered indirect. So it contains a memory address. So instead of giving the address directly, the CPU looks at the value inside the SI and uses that as the memory location. So the fourth one is the MOV BP plus DI AX base index. So this uses two registered together. BP is the base register and the DI is the index register. So the two are added to get the memory addresses. So the fifth one is the MOV CX BX plus SI plus 088H. It is called base index with displacement. So this uses the BX plus SI plus a constant value of 0.08H. So it is a combination of base and register index register and the displacement. So the sixth one is the MOV DIAX register indirect. The memory addresses is stored in DI. AX goes to that memory location. So the seventh one is the MOV AX BP negative of 10H base with displacement. This uses the BP registered plus a displacement, which in this case is negative. So the eighth part is the MOV AX5678H. So it is called immediate addressing. So the value is a part of the instruction itself. So AX received the 5678H directly. So the last one is the MOV AX So it is called register indirect. So the memory address is inside the VX and the AX loads whatever is stored in memory appointed by the BX. So the second part is the examples of addressing modes. So we demonstrate each addressing mode with actual instructions. So the MOV AX55AAH, it is a immediate addressing. So here AX gets a value included in the instruction. So the second one is the registered addressing, the MOV AX and BX. AX copies the value from the BX. Then the third one is the direct addressing, MOVAX1234H. So AX loads the value stored at the memory address 1234H. Then the fifth one is the registered indirect addressing, the MOV AXSI. SI contains a memory location and AX loads from it. And the next one is the index addressing, the MOV AL plus 10H. This uses the DI plus a displacement to locate the data. So the last one is the base index addressing, which is the MOV AX BX plus SI. So BX and SI are added together to generate a memory address. So the third one is the address calculation. So Let's compute the physical addresses. The 8086 uses the segment offset addressing in the formula. The formula I got it is the segment plus times the 10H plus offset. So physical address segment times 10H and is equals to the offset. So the first part is the MOVAX 100H. It is called the segment is equals to 2000H. The offset is equals to 1000H. Then we multiply 2000H times 10H is equals to 20,000H. Then 20,000H plus 1,000H is equals to 21,000H. So the physical address is 21,000H. So the next one is the MOV AX BX plus SI plus 10H. So BX is equals to 1234H. Then SI is equals to 4321H. And the displacement is equals to 10H. So the effective offset is the 1234H plus 4321H plus 10H is equals to 5565H. So the physical one is the 2000H times 10H is equals to 20,000H. So 20,000H plus 5565H is equals to 25,565H. So the physical address is 25565H. The next one is the next part is debug and analyze. So let's analyze first the code that in the given. So MOVAX SI, then MOV SI 2000H, then add AX SI plus 10H is equal plus 10H, then MOV DI AX. So the addressing modes is the MOVAX-SI is equals to register indirect, and the MOVSI 2000H is immediate. Then the add AX SI plus 10H is based with displacement, and the MOVDI-AX it is include that it is register indirect. So the final value of AX is equals to given memories values. Then at 2000H become to 1234H, and the 2010H becomes the 5678H. So the AX will load the value at the original SI. Then the second one is SI become the 200H. Then the next step is the AX is equals to 1234H plus 5678H is equals to 68 ACH. So the final value in the AX is 68 ACH. Yeah. Then the next one is the part 5 is the practical program. This shows the storing and loading values using different addressing modes. So MOV AX ABCDH, then the MOV 300H AX. So MOV AX 300H, then MOV BX to AX, then MOV DI to and 400H 00H, then MOV DI VX. This is the procedure that I came up. So AX is loaded with ABCDH. So the value will become it will save in memory at 300H. Then the next the AX loads the value back using direct addressing, and the next AX is copied to BX. So BX is stored in memory using the address inside DI. So that's all for my explanation, and that is my complete explanation of 8086 and addressing modes, address calculation, and sample assembly instruction. So thank you for listening on my explanation, and that's all. Thank you.